It's Cyber Monday, which means there's all sorts of deals online, so we can save big without ever leaving our house. And to help maximize our time online, we have a quick throw-together hamburger soup that's made with ingredients that you'll probably have on hand. We start by browning ground beef and some chopped onions in a soup pot for a few minutes. After draining off the liquid, we add some beef broth, a bit of tomato paste, a can of diced tomatoes, and a package of frozen peas and carrots. And to give this lots of taste, we toss in a bit of dry mustard, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. We give this a good stir and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until all the flavors come together. It's that easy. And whether you dig into it as is or top it with some shredded cheddar, boy, are you in for a burgerlicious treat. So while you're online snatching up all the deals, make sure you visit our website and print out a copy of what we call Hamburger Soup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a time and money saving way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.